Really nice trades going into the close today. We have new equity peaks in the Cobra 3 strategies. Here's Cobra 3 ES. You see the nice winning streak this has been on. You see 5 winners here in this chart. Let's look at the performance report. So really nice equity curve in Cobra 3 recently. 5 winners in a row. New equity peaks in that. Plus 1362.50 today. Cobra 3 evening NASDAQ. 3 losers before the current trade today. But it is at new equity peaks as well, and plus 23.15 today. We like holding those trades into the close, capturing those big moves. Market moved down towards yesterday's lows, didn't quite take those out. Bit overbought, went straight up. NASDAQ went up about 1,000 points since this June 29 low, just a straight up move, and we were due for some downside. Got it today. The beauty is that we not only captured shorts into the close, we also captured some longs into the close. If you go to All Strategy Access 2, the SR CounterTrends, SR CounterTrend 2 V2 1M plus 60, plus 295, and then these 3 plus 475, plus 475, plus 475. They caught that little dip, so while we were short Cobra 3, these came in and took some long trades and then exited as the market rolled over again. So we got it on the long and the short side today, and the NASDAQ did really well. And QS3 plus 875 on this trade at the open. QS means quick start, and so we like to grab these quick moves at the open. SR CounterTrend 2 plus 775 on the evening NASDAQ. Nice trades around, all the way around in the SR CounterTrends. 60-minute breakout. Did not work today. It was a day to buy dips in the NASDAQ, but breakouts did not work. That has been working, but today we're a bit overbought. Minus 1,025, and those were the trades in All Strategy Access 2. Back to All Strategy Access 1. Tick count trend ES 1 minute plus 112.50. Mirror, we actually increased the profit target on this in March from 500 to 700, and that worked out great. The extra ranges and volatility, so plus 675. Adaptive moving average plus 137.50. It was chopped up intraday and was able to catch back up in the afternoon on that sell-off. And Night Trader was down. We've had a lower winning percentage in Night Trader recently, which is interesting because we've been in such a strong bull run, but the Night Trader strategy has had more losses lately. We've had, I think, several winners in a row. We had 3 out of 4 recently, and now this loss. And so it could be telling of more bearishness, and we have strategies for bear market. So we're not too worried because we have the diversity there. Gap continuation 2020 minus 650. So that one did poorly today on 2 losses in a row. Night Trader, we've fixed this. I fixed this output indicator. It shows the trade on the day. It hit its profit target last night, and then it's minus 987.50 on the day. Even though this trade has a $1,500 stop loss, the gain from the close yesterday at 5 until the profit target was about $500. So this is a daily P&L for Night Trader is minus 987.50. So those are the trades on the stock indexes. Stock indexes are at equity peaks. Stock index portfolios are at equity peaks. I'll confirm that in the spreadsheets and show that to you. Update those. Cobra Euro 4 plus is right around break even, $18.75. It's a pretty much a break even trade. Plus 975 in Asia Gold 4. Nice short in gold before it rallied. And SR CounterTrend 2 soybeans. Nice entry, no bounce though, so plus 50 in soybeans. Cobra Crude Aggressive plus 205. Cobra Gold plus 135, no follow through. Got in on the very end of this move, and it's stuck. Gold stuck above 1800 today. Very decisive move above 1800 in gold. Will be interesting to see that, how this market continues to trade. If it'll come back and test 1800 and then move higher, or if it'll just zoom higher from here. No trades All Strategy Access 5, All Strategy Access 6. Couple of nice shorts today. This one hit its profit target. This one is still short. The output indicator, you see, it did not reset at the end of 7.3, so it lost 12.50 on 7/3, and then it did not reset, and it shows minus 2,500. This is to account for both days. You know, it doesn't. The daily P&L output indicator does not write an entry for June the 3rd because it never got to 1,600 the last bar time, and so it's still accurate when you between the 2 days, even though it's off overall. And so those are the trades on the day. Really good trading day overall in the stock indexes, and so that should reflect an equity peak in the stock index portfolio if you're trading those. And we look forward to trading the rest of the month. It's just July the 7th, so the ebbs and the flows, and it's interesting to end this winning streak. Like we talked about earlier, you know, about 1,000-point move from here to here. I think it's 975 points, and then it's pulled back. So we'll see. This is just, and relatively speaking, that's a very small pullback. It was definitely due for at least a small pullback. We'll see if there's more behind that. It's hard to imagine this market will continue to steamroll higher in the midst of so much uncertainty. So once again, trades on the day for July the 7th, 2020.